1.5E1. So the first three problems you're going to solve like you always do. You're going to either draw a picture or use manipulatives or counters. 2, what shape is a square? Well, I know this has 4 sides and 4 vertices, but the sides are not all equal or the same, so this is not a square, this is a rectangle. This shape has 0 sides, so I know that cannot be a square. This shape has 4 sides. I see it has 4 square corners, and all the sides are equal or the same, so that could be a square. And this one has 3 sides, so I know that's a triangle. So this is my correct answer. Hunter has 8 toy cars and Jack has 4. How many toy cars do the boys have? Well, I know Hunter has 8 toy cars. And I know I'm adding Hunter's toy cars to Jack's 4. So I'm going to be joining Jack's 4 cars. So I have 8 and 4. So I know 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. I know 8 and 2 more make 10 and 2 more make 12. So I know he has 12 toy cars. Ms. Vance's class eats lunch at 12 o'clock. Which clock shows the time Ms. Vance's class eat? So I'm looking for 12 o'clock. I know my minute hand is going to be on the 12, and I know my hour hand is going to be on the 12. So this is 1 o'clock, this is 3 o'clock, this is 7 o'clock, and this is 12 o'clock. Raymond puts blocks on a balance. Which of the following is true about Raymond's balance? Mark your answer. Well, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so I know I have 5 here, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I have 5 here. So that makes it equal because they're the same. Now, my first choice is 6 is equal to 5. 6 is not equal to 5. 5 is equal to 4 plus 1. Well, I have 5 here. I have 4 here and 1 more, so that's true. 5 is not equal to 5. So I want you to look at that word not. They're trying to trick you, so I know 5 is equal to 4 plus 1. Circle the words that make this true. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 plus 3 is the same as 2 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5. Well, I know 5 and 2 is 7, and I knew 3 and 4 is 7. I could check my work by going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I know they are equal. The teacher said 6 airplanes and 2 airplanes is the same as 4 airplanes and 3 airplanes. Is this true or not true? Circle the correct answer. Is 6 and 2 the same as 4 and 3? Well, I know 6 and 2 more is 8, and I know 4, 5, 6, 7, and 7. So I know that is not true. The teacher made up, oops. Color the shape with the sign that means is the same as. Well, I know if I see this symbol, that means I'm joining. If I see this symbol, I know I'm separating. If I see this symbol, it means the same as. So I'm going to shade in that symbol.